How to set live wallpaper on Android from Pinterest in less than 2 minutes. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn any Pinterest video into a live wallpaper using only your browser and your phone's built-in wallpaper tools. No extra apps needed. By the end, you'll be able to use any aesthetic Pinterest clip as a moving background without confusion. Start by opening Pinterest and finding the video pin you like. Tap it, open the three-dot menu, and check if there's a download option. If there isn't, tap Copy Link instead. Open Chrome, paste the link into any Pinterest video downloader, and download the video straight to your device. Once it finishes downloading, it will appear in your Gallery or Files app. Next, open your video inside your gallery. Look for the Set as Wallpaper, Use as Wallpaper, or Apply as Video Wallpaper option. The wording depends on your phone model. Samsung, Xiaomi, Realme, Oppo, Vivo, and Pixel phones all support this. Tap that option, adjust the clip if needed, and choose where to apply it. Your phone will ask if you want it on your home screen, lock screen, or both. Select your preference and confirm. Your wallpaper should start moving right away. If the animation doesn't appear, check your settings for permissions like Allow Motion Wallpaper or Allow Video to play on lock screen and turn them on. With those quick steps, you can turn any Pinterest video into a smooth, looping live wallpaper using nothing but Chrome and your built-in phone tools. No apps required.